Hello dear students, welcome to financial accounting classes for beginners. In the previous class we have seen single column cash book. Now today we will see double column cash book. Process is same columns, everything, only one extra column we are going to provide, that is discount column. Generally we will be writing in single column cash book only the amount column. Beside amount we will be writing discount column. Both the sides, debit side, credit side. That is why it has become double column cash book. Simple problem, receipts, all the receipts will be on the debit side and payments will be on the credit side. Only one discount column we are going to provide. Simple, easy to understand, just focus on this problem. You can note down later or you can take a screenshot. Now let's enter into the problem. I have taken a simple problem here. 2016 November 1st. Commenced business with cash. Commenced business with cash means capital this is. It will be always on the debit side because amount business, in the business we have started some amount, with capital we have started that business. So that will be on the debit side. So before going to that, let me tell you, so let me enter anyway. 2016 November 1st to capital. It is 50,000 rupees. So before going to that problem, let me tell you the pro forma or format of double column cash book or two column cash book or double column cash book. Both are same. As we are writing on the debit side, date, particulars, receipt number. R number means receipt number, LF ledger folio, discount column. This column we are providing it extra. That is why it has become double column cash book. And cash, it's on the debit side. Same transactions on the credit side also, same columns. Date, particulars. Here receipt number. When we are purchasing, we'll be getting voucher. When we are selling, we'll be giving receipt number. So R number, receipt number, here voucher number, V number. And LF, discount, and cash. What we are finding here compared to single column cash book, and here only discount column, that's all. Both the sides you will find discount column. And how do we get discount? While workouting the problem, I will explain. So first one is over, commenced business with a cash of 50,000 to capital 50,000. Then after that, cash purchases 28,000. Purchasing anything, payment. All the payments will be on the credit side. So this is on November 2nd. Cash purchases, buy purchases. It's 28,000. Over. Next, fifth, received cash from Arun. Received cash from Arun. Received, receipts, debit side. So fifth it is to Arun, 2,000. Received cash from Arun. Next, seventh, paid cash to Sanjay. We are paying cash to Sanjay 2,900 and discount allowed by him 100. Paid cash to Sanjay means it's a payment. All the payments will be on the credit side. So I am writing it on 7th by Sanjay. Sanjay 2,900 I am paying. When I am paying 2,900, discount allowed by him. He is allowing us discount of 100 rupees. We will write it in the discount column. Please remember, whenever you are making any payment, some people, not all, some people will be allowing us discount. You pay me the amount, I will give you discount. So that discount will be writing in the discount column. In fact, I have to pay him 3,000 rupees. 3,000 to Sanjay. But he is asking us, pay me 2,900 only, I will give you discount of 100 rupees. So I paid him 2,900. So 100 rupees is discount. Discount column I will write. Are you getting it? Simple. This is only the difference between the single column and double column cash book. Another transaction we'll see. Next, 10th, paid wages 3,000. We have paid wages. Paid wages means expenses, payments. Payments will be on the credit side. 10th, by wages 3000 rupees. Next, received from Rajesh. We are receiving from Rajesh 950, allowed him discount of 50 rupees. In fact, we have to receive from Rajesh 1000 rupees. But we are saying to Rajesh, Rajesh, I will give you discount of 50 rupees. You pay me 950 only. Means here we are allowing a discount of 50 rupees to Rajesh. That comes in the discount column. Received from Rajesh, it's a receipt. So debit side will write 14th to Rajesh. 950 I am receiving and allowed to him 50 rupees of discount. Discount 50 rupees allowed. We received 950. Rather than 1000 we are receiving 950. What about 50 rupees? Given discount. That's all. Next one. 16th. Paid into bank. 1000 rupees. Paid into bank. It goes to the credit side. Payments. So by bank 16th. By bank 10,000. Means paying to the bank 10,000. Next, after that, cash sales. Cash sales. All the sales will be receipt, income. So debit side will write to sales 18th. To sales 2500. Next, after that, 20th, purchased stationery for cash. Purchasing stationery is the payment. So credit side will write 20th date by stationery. By stationery 250. Then 23rd, paid to Suresh 3900, discount allowed 100. We are paying to Suresh. Paying to Suresh means it's a payment. So payment will be on the credit side 23rd by Suresh. How much paying? 3900. Discount allowed 100. Discount column will write. The transaction shows that in fact we have to pay 4000 to Suresh. Suresh said, I'll give you discount of 100 rupees, pay me 3900 only. So I have paid 3900 only. Return, I got a discount of 100 rupees. Okay. So this is Suresh. Next, after that, received from Rajesh 1900. Received from Rajesh. Received, debit side. And allowed him a discount here. Discount is also there. Allowed him discount of 100 rupees. Means in fact I have to receive from Rajesh 2000. 2000 I have to receive. But I am receiving 1900 only. What about this 100? Allowing discount. That's all. So 26th, received from Rajesh. So we'll write to Rajesh. 26th, na? To Rajesh. 1900 received. Allowed him discount 100 rupees. Next, after that, last transaction, paid for salaries. Paid salaries, paid for salaries. It's a payment, expenses. So all the payments will be on the credit side. So 30th by salaries. 2000. Over, we'll close this. For closing, what we do is discount as it is total up and write it over there. We need not to balance the discount. Whatever we got discount, we allowed discount, that will write it as it is. So here discount is 150 and here discount is 200 and cash amount will balance it. Which side is more? Debit side is more as usual. So we'll total up this debit side. 50,000 plus 2,000, 52,000, 52, 54, 500, 54, 500 plus 950 plus 1900, it is 57,350. 57,350. The same amount we'll write it on the credit side also, 57,350. Now 57,350 minus all these, we'll get the balance carried down. So let me deduct all these transactions. 57,350 minus 28,000 minus 2,000 minus 5,900. 15,900 I'll take directly. 15,900 minus 250 minus this is 5,900. It comes to 7,300. So balancing figure is 7,300. In examination also always recheck it. Recheck it, that would be much better and easy. So total amount I got it 57,350. That minus all these transactions I got 7,300. So if you want you can recheck it once again. It doesn't matter, but in exam don't make mistakes. You know everything. Problem, methodology, everything you have done. But in the last calculations using calculator, I'm not much habited to use calculator because whenever I teach the subject in the classroom, my students, they used to do the calculation. They used to give me the amount, total amount is how much, and deduct and tell me. So I never used to press this. So there may be some kind of mistakes, don't mind, but you be careful, you make a practice of using this calculator. In final exam also double time you check it. It doesn't matter, you have plenty of time, right? So this is balance carried down is 7,300. So this will be transferring to the next month. So this is on November 30th. Next month will be December 1st. 1st December, to balance brought down 7,300. You can take a screenshot or note down. Hope it is clear. Double column cash book. Simple, only the thing is discount you have to remember. The rest of the problem is same like single column cash book. And in the coming classes we'll work out triple column cash book. Most important. Many students get confused with triple column cash book. There you will find double entry, contra entry. So which one comes as a contra entry, how to post it? There many people get confused, but don't worry, I'll explain it very clearly. You will understand it. Examination point of view, this is much important. So in the description box already given a lot of links. Please check it out, and in required subjects, required topics, use it, and also help others who are struggling to learn the subject. So take care my dear students, practice well, good luck.